Hey everyone, here we are in southern Ontario. It's super sunny and hot. There you go up there. It's been so hot here. I went to fill up my bird feeder with some, standard feed, seeds and this and that and corn, and because it was about half empty. And so I came out here and look what's happened. The corn has popped in my bird feeder. That's how hot it is. So I don't know. Let's test this out. I'm gonna check this out here. All right, so let's test it out. I don't know, it looks pretty good. Yeah, it's all right. I'm gonna go get some butter.